Welcome back everybody. In today's video I'm going to go over this product from SARORRA. This is the 2-pack grabber reacher tool designed for picking up trash in the ditch lines, or for picking up stuff up above the countertops where you can't reach at, or if you're sitting down somewhere and you want to reach behind the couch, you can get these out and conveniently grab what you need to get out. Let's open it up and take a look. So inside the box, you're going to find 2 grabbers wrapped in plastic bags. It'll come with a set of instructions on how to assemble it. Has a convenient little strap here for when you're not using it, you can just strap it up. When you take your grabber out of the package, you're going to notice this bungee cord in there, and it'll sit alongside this groove. Remember that when you want to fold it back up, that cord will have to go on the side of that groove. Just simply put your grabber together, and if this is stuck together, just pull it apart the first time and your grabber is ready for use. Now this grabber comes with a non-slip rubberized grip for grabbing onto like cans or round objects. It'll grab nicely onto there and not let go. The instructions say that it can grab up to 5 pounds, but recommends 2 pounds at most. If you're going to be lifting up like breakables or something that's up high, you do not want to drop it down and break it. So, but for garbage wise, if you're picking it up off the ground, I could say you'd probably be able to get 5 pounds use out of it. This spring, once all the snow is gone, I plan on walking our ditch line here. A lot of times people throw their trash out. It gets cans and plastics and other things that fly around over the winter months. Maybe it flew out of somebody's garbage cans. So the family and I, we like to take a walk down the road. We usually go a mile and then a mile back. And we're gonna bring along some bags, and we'll use these grabbers for picking up the trash. Another nice feature that you can use this for, if you have a pickup truck such as this one, and perhaps you have some items that slid way to the front of your truck and you don't want to climb inside and try to grab them, you can get out your handy grabber tool here. And just go ahead and grab it. Like my tool box here that slid all the way to the front. This is gonna probably stay in the truck. I'll have it sitting right in here. And that way when I need to use it or grab something out of the front of the box here, I can just reach in with this and get it. Another cool feature about this grabber, you'll notice these 2 prongs, one on each side. Those are actually really strong magnets and can be used for picking up any type of screws, bolts, nuts, or anything like that that may have fallen on the ground. You can go around and just pick it up instead of bending over. The grip is rubberized on the back, really nice, convenient grip with an easy to use trigger. One last thing I'd like to mention about this grabber is the angle of which you grab is also adjustable. Just pull this part out and you can turn it any degree you want. From 90 degrees, 45 degrees, 180 degrees. So you can grab side items that are sideways as well. When you're finished using your grabber, it conveniently folds in half and stores in a nice, easy spot. Just pull it apart. You're gonna notice that little groove cut in this piece here. That bungee cord is going to need to line up with that, and just fold it in half. Grab the strap that was provided with it. Wrap it around, and now it stores nice and small and conveniently out of the way. If you guys are interested in this product, I'll leave a link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.